Do you know the biggest secret of how doctors improve their English? They learn a little every day. Not a lot, just a little. Today, I will show you the same simple habits doctors use. If doctors can do it, you can do it too. Welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. This is our new playlist, The Secrets of How Doctors Improve Their English. In this first lesson, I will teach you 3 simple habits doctors use every day to improve their English. Doctors do not read big books every day. They read small English texts for 2 to 3 minutes. Just small information. Examples of small texts. 1 paragraph from a newspaper, a health article, a medicine label, a small story, simple English posts. Small reading every day helps your brain remember English naturally. Doctors listen to simple English audio for just 5 minutes. They listen while traveling, walking, or drinking tea. Simple listening ideas, short English videos, slow English health tips, beginner English lessons, English podcasts in slow speed. You don't need 1 hour. Even 5 minutes is powerful. Doctors always keep a small notebook or a notes app in their phone. When they see a new English word, they write it. Example: word, pain. Sentence: do you have pain? When you write a word and make 1 small sentence, the word stays in your mind. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. I read a small English text every day. I listen to English for 5 minutes. I write new words in my notebook. Good! These are the same habits many doctors use every day. Your challenge today. Choose 1 habit and do it before you sleep tonight. Just 1. Small steps give big results. Thank you for learning with LELTA today. This is lesson 1 of our playlist, The Secrets of How Doctors Improve Their English Knowledge. In the next video, we will learn why doctors use simple English first before medical English. Don't miss it. See you in lesson 2.